Hi guys, with another video. I did this video for the who wants to change the battery, iPhone batteries. Now we will do together. So first things first, what do you need? You have to provide first a battery to your iPhone, and then you need a screwdriver for the iPhone and two stickers that glue both sides sticks, and also old credit cards or these two. So it comes with the battery, and yeah, we can go ahead and start it. And also this small thing that whenever you take it, the screw just put inside of this small container. So yes, there's a two screw here, one here and one right there. We're gonna get that screw, so right there, right, that's the screw that it should come out. Slowly and surely. Sometimes it takes time, but sometimes easily comes out. Let's see how long is it gonna take. So almost there. It's taking time, but eventually we are there. Right there. Oh, small. Little bit more. I think we're right there. Right there. Just put the two screw here. Yeah, and then put somewhere. So, what we're gonna do next? Go ahead and put this plastic outside corner. Right there. See? Right. It's opening. Now just go all the way around. All the way around. All the way around. Sorry guys, let me. Yeah, all the way around. Yeah, it's almost there. The other way. Just, yeah. Right there. Okay. Yeah. Now what we're gonna do, just push this side. Home button is gonna be come up like this. Wow, this is the word we have here. So we're gonna take it this battery. Hopefully we can take it easily. What we can do you see this this one? Just take it out. This is the glue that underneath. Just pull it. If it comes, you're lucky. If it's not, it's come on. We're gonna have a hard time a little bit. So then the other, this is the one that it should come out. See, it doesn't come. Unfortunate. Yeah, what the next step is? Next step is with the export this right.